All right, good morning. This is part 2 of the last video. We're back in Abingdon, another beautiful home. It's hot as heck. I want to get back into the cool AC, so we'll make this quick. As I said in the last video, this is a wax removal and a screen and recoat. The floors are not in vicious, terrible condition, so the screen and recoat will make them 1,000 times better. Just walked over the first part that we did the other day, and it's looking amazing already. So we're aiming to finish up today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, see you.